Hey everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to dubventures. Today guys, we're going getting the vinyl wrap, this piece here. We're getting it replaced on our camper van because you might not be able to see because it's wet, but there's a couple of little cracks and splits that have started to happen. Now this can happen on vinyl wraps, I'm going to tell you more about it, but first of all, let's get there. Guys, we're here at Pentagon Auto Tints. You can see the signs over there. So as I showed you before, we've got like a little bit of damage sort of like on the vinyl wrap. Now, just been speaking to Jonathan and he was telling me, you know, it could be caught by any. Just getting it replaced, and Neil at the moment, he's just getting it off and it's not an easy process.
Quite brittle, you know, in cold temperatures.
Right.
Let you finish it off, mate.
Huh?
Let you finish it off.
I'm gonna do some. Look at this, look at this. No, I've not had any tutorial here, just pull it gently, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Look at that. See guys, I don't just film things, I actually do it as well. Just all the way to the end, yeah?
Yeah, please, yeah. There you go. Good job.
Did you hear that? What was that?
Good job.
Yes. So guys, that's the vinyl wrap replaced on there. Like I said, you know, it could have happened, that crack, for any reason, but you know, these guys have changed it over. Now this is Jonathan. Now if you've watched our previous videos when we actually got the vinyl wrap fitted, these guys are the guys that have done this, and I do highly recommend Pentagon Auto Tints, and they're also going to be adding next month PPF, aren't you, the paint protection film?
We are, yeah. We're going to be starting it. We're looking to expand the business. We're over the Fylde coast now. We've opened up.
So because you've got another unit, whereabouts is that? Is it Preston?
It's Preston way. Yeah, it's the Fylde coast. So it's Weesham. Right. It's in between Blackpool and Preston. Right. So that's another thing that we can expand.
So if you're in the northwest area, guys, you know, I do highly recommend. As you'll have seen a year ago, we did get the vinyl wrap fitted. Now if you do want to have a look at like what these guys do, because you do a lot of supercars, and you've got some supercars in there, but obviously they belong to other people, but fantastic jobs of the like wraps and that in there. But anyway, but if you want to give these guys a follow, they're on Instagram and TikTok. So Auto Tints, I will put links in the description, so go and check them out. So guys, that's it done. I just want to say a big thank you for Neil for doing this. It's not comfortable having a camera in your face, I know, but you know, he's been very accommodating, and thank you very much.
Good job, I'm really good looking.
Right, so we're home now, got that changed now, really pleased with it. So do recommend them guys. I will put a link in the description if it's something that you want to get done yourself. If you're looking for a lightweight jacket that's really warm, I have to say I do recommend these jackets. I'm going to put a link in the description because I've been wearing this jacket for quite a while now, and it folds into like its own little bag and everything, so it's like really small, but I do recommend these. So anyway, right, we're home now. Now, as you know, we've got this European road trip coming up, and there's a lot of things that we need to take out of the van, because there's a lot of things that we don't need to take. So we've already took like a lot of the things out that we took to Scotland with us, but I know that there's some things in here that we don't need to take. Now, because this road trip is literally just weeks away, it makes sense why I've got a bit of time to get everything out now, because otherwise, you know what it's like, guys, when you're packing for a trip and things like that and get ready, it just becomes like hectic. So right, let's have a look. It's surprising what we've got in here. Like, one of the things we've got here is we have our Bluetooth speaker, but now that I've took that out, because we've got another Bluetooth speaker with a light on it, that light makes a lot of room up. Now, doesn't look like it takes a lot of room up, that, but it's quite surprising like what you can fit in there with that. So right, I've got a couple of things out now. I need to go and get things out the garage space now. Just found like some food things that, you know, when you go on a camping trip, you take like dry foods that have got like a long date on them, and you think to yourself, oh, I'll just leave that in the van because, you know, next time we go and things. Yeah, I've got quite a bit of that, and we don't need to keep that in there, so we're taking that out now as well. Travelling this European road trip, we will be taking our fridge with us, and we're going to be taking our EcoFlow power stations, you know, that power the fridge. And we know that like in this area here, like we can't like put any extra things. One thing that we are taking is we're going to be taking our thermal window covers, because obviously when it's sunny as well, they do like act as like a barrier, you know, to like let some of the heat in. So, but what I am going to do now, the Scotland trip that we've just been on, we have emptied all the clothes, because this is where we put all our clothes. And then we've obviously got this storage area here that we've got like a table and our outdoor mat. But here, this is where we've got like all our sort of like, you know, table, chairs, you know, and things. And this is where like a lot of like food and things is going to be going as well. But what I need to do is I need to get everything out, because anything that I know that we're not going to use, we're not taking it with us. We've just had our Volkswagen campervan, you know, service recently, but what we're going to do is, like, because it's weeks away before we go on holiday, I'm going to go to Volkswagen. That's going to be like a video that's coming, and we're going to get like a health check to check everything, you know, because we're going to be like in the van for 2 months. You know, it's a good idea just to get everything checked over. Now, speaking of being in the van for 2 months, because we're going to like Europe and it's going to be summer, chances are we're going to get some weather that's going to be quite warm, quite sunny and everything. So what we've been doing is we've been ordering some things that we need. Now, one of the things that we do need are fans, because obviously when we're going to be in the van at night time and things, it's probably going to be quite warm sometimes. So what we've done is we've actually found this fan, and you know what, I've got to show you this, guys, because I've not seen a fan like this before. So I'm going to open it, show you, tell you all about it. So, because it's going to be warm and everything, we've been looking at like different fans to get. Now, I've not seen a fan like this before, and do you know what? We have to tell you about it because we do recommend them. So this fan, it's got a remote control, and it's got different like power settings. Now, the good thing about this fan is, I'll just turn it down a little bit, because you know what, that's quite powerful. I'm like a little kid, aren't I? So I'll just turn that down. In fact, I'll just turn it off. And what it's also got, it's got a light as well. That you can turn on. You know, a fan with a light. And not only that, you can use this as a power bank. Not finished yet though, guys. Check this out. So what I've done is, I've got the fan going, and then one of these buttons here, you press this, and look at that, it rotates as well. Now the thing that I'm really impressed with this is the adjustment. You just pull this now. It's got an adjustment that you can lift it up. So as you can see, you can like lift it up. It does go further as well, but not enough room. And then, you know, you can adjust the angle of this. Do you know what? This is fantastic. And like I say, we've been looking for different ways to keep us cool, obviously when we're in Europe. and this is going to come in so handy. Like I said, I do recommend these, and it's really good build quality, and you can actually use it as a power bank as well because it's got a really powerful battery. So I'll put a link in the description. The good thing is as well, when we're over there, you know, because obviously it's operated by battery, just on the off chance that like during the night or something it might run out of battery or something, because we've got our EcoFlow power stations, we can just simply plug the wire in to keep it like on that, and it will just keep running. An incredible 91% of you are not subscribed to our channel. Guys, we have got our own personal mission and like goal of getting over 20,000 subscribers. So please, if you haven't subscribed already, please help us achieve this amazing milestone and consider hitting that subscribe button. So guys, we've got lots to do, so until the next one, thanks for watching. Bye for now.